Hello everyone. In this video we're going to take a look at how you can connect your Facebook pixel and your Facebook page to your Shopify store. So that is something really important because a lot of people are dealing with e-commerce, and maybe you're one of them who wants to connect and make that integration between Facebook and Shopify. So in this video you're going to take a look at how you can do that. And here in this video I'm not going to show you how to set up a Shopify store. So we will start from here, and as you can see, this is the initial interface in Shopify store. When you set up your profile and everything, you will get this. And the first thing that you need to do is to add Facebook as a sales channel, and you're going to do that here by clicking on this plus. You will get some offers on which sales channel you can add, and you want to do it with Facebook Shop. After that, Facebook will ask you to connect to your account and later on to choose your page, and from there you will actually be able to do that integration. Be patient, sometimes it takes a little more time. So here you're setting up your account, and basically what you want to do is connect your Facebook account. If you're logged in, it will do it automatically as it is doing now. So you just press continue and choose which page you wish, and you can add all of them, and give permission to Shopify to access those data, and press OK. And now, as it says, you've now linked Shopify to Facebook. Okay, and within a few seconds it will show up here. And now you can choose which page you wish. Since I chose only one, I will choose that one and connect the page. Now I have to accept Facebook's terms and conditions. Okay, and after that my Facebook page will be connected, as you can see, to my Shopify account. Now if you want to have a Facebook, you see here actually you need to select a plan before you can enable your Facebook shop, but later on we're going to take a look at how you can connect to how you can put your products into your Facebook catalog from here. Okay, in this video we're taking a look at the Facebook pixel. So that was the first step, how to connect your Facebook account and your Facebook page. Now when it comes to you can actually see here on Facebook shop some of the products that you have. So the thing I did is I have already put some random products here in my Shopify store, and just to show you that I have 3 collections for backpacks, jackets and sneakers from Essex, and you can see those 3 collections here. Okay, now when it comes to Facebook pixel, you will have to first, I'm just going to show you in the Shopify store. So you will have to go to online store and to preferences, and from there you will have to find Facebook pixel, which is this field. Okay, and basically what you need to do is copy your Facebook pixel ID here. You will do that after you set it up in your ads manager and get that pixel number or ID. Now we're headed to Facebook business account, and I would suggest actually you can make pixel from ad account and also business account, but I would suggest to use your business account if you have it. If you don't, you can set it up. Just go to Facebook Business Manager account and follow the instructions, and from there you need to find Events Manager. Now this interface has changed a bit, so I'm not sure which one you have, but this is supposed to be a new one. Anyway, just find Events Manager and click on it, and you will be brought to this page. And from here you can see that I already have some test pixel that I have activated yesterday, but now I want to show you So in partner integrations, you can see here which partner integrations Facebook has, and of course it has Shopify here. You can activate Shopify there, and when you want to add new Facebook pixel, you just click add new data source, Facebook pixel, and from there you will have to give a name. So my Shopify store pixel, okay, and I will just press continue. Since it's a partner integration, it's not my custom website. Now it takes a bit of time for Facebook to make that pixel, and now you have 3 options offered. So add code using a partner integration, manually add pixel to a website, or email instructions to a developer. We're taking a look at the first option, and from here we want to set it up with the Shopify. And now you just follow the instructions. So as you can see here, this is what I have already shown you. So you go to online store, and you will put your Facebook pixel ID there, and here is where you get one. So this is your, be sure not to copy that dot at the end. So as it says, copy and paste your pixel ID, and that's exactly what I'm going to do here. Okay, and I will press save. Settings saved, and now I will just continue with my instructions. And now we just need to verify that the pixel is working correctly. What they're asking me to do is copy my URL to send test traffic, and you can if you don't remember the name of your website, so it's like this. In this case, this is just an example, and I will copy it here, send test traffic. Okay, so now Facebook is actually testing whether that pixel is working. They're just putting a test traffic to see if it's okay, and it says that it's active. So I will press just continue, and yeah, that would be it. So you can close it now, and that's it. So you have your, as you can see here, my Shopify store pixel, my status is active, and here I would see different data and different things based on my traffic. Since this is not a published store, this is not a published website, it's just an example, but if it was a live website and I had some traffic, I would see it here getting updated regularly and so on. So that would be it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the following ones.